Guys, I'm with Aly. We are apartment shopping. We've already gone to like one spot and it didn't work out. So I don't know if that's a sign or what. We're going to the second place and it's already that time of year that I'm moving again. I'm tired of moving, but I used to be in a place. I'm in a place right now that I don't love. So I'm now moving back to somewhere where I feel more familiar. I just needed to be in a more positive environment, a new space. But Aly and I are thinking about moving in together, so you guys will see much more content. We're just gonna see the vibes, the places. Oh my god, what happened?
Dude, someone lost their bird and I posted it on my story, but no one's been saying anything.
Are you worried?
Yes, you like the bird's lost. Why are you laughing? I'm serious.
I've always thought these robots were scary. Like, how do they know where to like deliver stuff? You think they have like a GPS?
Are you asking me?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I feel like they
freak me
do.
out.
LA things. Okay guys, OOTD. I'm obsessed with Body by Raven. I have like almost every single color. This is their hot pink one. So cute. My little Prada purse that Cindy got me for like my 22nd birthday. And pink slides. Miss Aly's OOTD.
So, waist trainer, Amazon.
Yummy.
Boots.
Did you trip?
Yes, almost. Boots, Fashion Nova, Tap to Shop.
Tap to Shop, Fashion Nova.
This, I don't know, my great grandma got it for me for Christmas. Bag, Anthropology, and jacket. It's like my family's tile business jacket.
Oh,
so
that's cute. It looks comfy.
Yeah.
We're trying to tour another place right now. We were 15 minutes early. We're hopeful for this one. We'll see. We'll see.
You can fix it.
Ooh, this is really pretty.
It is west facing, so you get really pretty sunsets. And the building in front is not tall enough where you get that block view, which is good.
This is nice. Cute.
this is really cute. I don't mind this view. Look, and then over there.
Oh yeah, I like this outside. Oh, these are like spacious.
Yeah.
Oh, this is nice. We come in for a second. I like how it has a bath. Cute. This would probably be like, yeah.
That's what I was thinking.
This is cutie pie.
Oh.
You said a more tan?
More daylight.
Oh. A little walk-in. We're looking at the second place.
Uncle.
Yeah, I'm her unkie.
It'll taste it in your face.
I hope. Is that your new daddy?
No te ríes.
So we're looking at this new place. This is literally right across the street. Hoping that we find something we like, but things are looking expensive.
Really
Just a little expensive. This one?
Yeah. They just moved out today, so we
What
obviously
coincidence.
get cleaners and all that stuff.
Okay. Okay. Oh, nice.
So it's a corner unit, set on this house.
Is there elevators or is it all stairs?
Sorry?
Is it?
There's an elevator. They're
Oh.
just, it's stuck,
Oh, okay.
so they're working on it.
Okay. Okay. I don't like the carpet.
And for this, we just need clears to come out.
Okay. Ooh, this one's nice and large. We really liked that first one, guys. We liked the 4-bed one. It was really like everything, but we're 100% positive that someone's gonna take it. So we're gonna go see the townhouse. I'm excited for that one because that one's cheaper, on the cheaper side. Pulling up to California Chicken Cafe. I love it here. So we got a wrap from California Chicken Cafe. I love this place, and we got the same salad. Me and Aly are huge foodies, huge. So we are gonna have half of this together and then have this.
You know what would be so cute actually?
What?
And I feel like it would do so good if we did like a little food diaries, like channel or something. I love it.
Here's yours.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in. Okay guys, first bite. If Aly and I did food diaries, would you guys watch? Because we love food. And not to be a pick-me, but like we literally love food. So much. Like we moan over it. It's bad.
That's how we started bonding.
No, cheers! Cheers.
That's so wow.
This is what I needed. This actually is a little burpy, like in the right way.
This is how much I'm fucking
Cheers.
Wait, this is so good.
Oh my gosh. 10 out of 10. What do you rate it?
10 out of 10.
Update on that townhouse that I was so excited about. It was horrendous. I wish I would have taken video. I just was ready to get out of there. The closet was this skinny,
So tiny.
like no closet space. So we're like, all right, but it was so perfect. It was literally right across Melrose. Like,
The area was beautiful.
whatever. We're probably just gonna check next month because everyone's kind of picky about being a month out from when you want to rent. So my ranch, I just dropped my ranch, guys. I just got home and there's been bird poop on my butt this entire time. Stop it. There's been bird poop on my butt this whole time. And none of you guys told me. Oh my, let me just get inside. Okay, it's the next day. I'm not gonna lie, I had a little mental breakdown. But I'm you know, I'm trying to dilute it because I'm trying to finish this vlog. I had so much fun running around with Aly yesterday. It was kind of like a short day because we got to each other like at 12-ish. Wait, no, maybe like 1. And then we had to cut the day like at 4-ish, 5, like 4. And then we went to go eat some California Chicken Cafe. I love it. I love it so much. Oh, I love getting their Caesar salad, but I eat it with ranch. I don't eat it with their Caesar salad, their Caesar dressing. Also, Aly hates it, so if you guys want to take that advice, take that advice. But other than that, fire. I love that salad. But what I was gonna say is that something really freaking annoying happened to me yesterday, and like I'm just so annoyed. Sorry, my lashes are like all crooked because I was just crying, so I need to go wash them again for the second time. But before I sign off, I want to just say that like my maps was taking me home, right? And like home was gonna take like an hour and some change, and I was like, okay, whatever, like whatever, it's fine because LA traffic. And then I freaking don't know what happened, but my maps glitched, and then right when I was getting to like downtown, it took like a detour, and I was like, wait. And then I just wasn't questioning it because I was like, okay, maybe there's just so much traffic that it's taking me through the streets. And then later on, when I thought that I was getting close because it was like a long ways ahead, I was like, wait, like one of my friends was like, oh, like where are you right now? And just like asking, and I don't know why they asked, but thank God that was literally a sign from God. And I was like, actually I don't really know, because it kind of looks like Chinatown. So I was like, wait, this is literally nowhere near where I'm supposed to be. So I look at my maps, and it literally is sending me to an address that Aly and I were looking at for an apartment. So literally I had already been driving for like 35-40 minutes maybe, and then something glitched in my maps, and I was sent all the way back to one of the locations. What the duck? Like literally what the duck? So I got so peed off, and I put in the correct address to go home, and now we're 30. An hour and 30 minutes. So I was literally driving for like over 2 hours yesterday just to get home. Almost 3, I think. Wait, am I not mathing right? I don't know. But it was a long time. That is the end of my video. I am really annoyed all over again, but I'm gonna see Aly right now. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video.